Hey guys, I'm going to show you in this video how you can steal. I should say borrow, really. I can't really just say steal like that, can I? Okay, I can't. Bust it. That's yeah. Steal right now. Steal's illegal. You can't just say steal. Okay, sorry. Let's do that again. All right.
This one, just keep going.
I'll just say steal because it's SEO. You're allowed to steal SEO. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to steal all of your competitors' SEO. As some of you may know, we recently launched a website, suppliesforblacksmiths.com. Now, one of the most annoying parts when you're starting off with SEO is actually knowing which blog posts to start with. So what I'm going to show you is exactly how to do this by stealing your competitors' keywords. The first thing you want to do is you want to go on Google and you want to kind of search around the niche, okay? So another thing you can do is you can use a keyword tool, and I'm going to highly suggest that you use Google Ads Keyword Planner. What you can do is you can type the niche in at the top here, where it says enter products or services closely related to your business, and press get results. Now you notice I have it in English and it's for the United States, and we'll see kind of what's popular. So you can see here propane forge is one of the most popular search terms in the niche. So what I'm going to do is I'm then going to go on Google. I'm going to search propane forge, and I'm going to look for who appears first. Now, obviously, it goes Amazon and then Etsy, and then we have our first potential competitor because, I mean, everyone is in competition with Amazon. This looks like it might be a bit more of a competitor, but I would still say this is a little bit too broad. Let me just double check that. Yeah, this is a little bit too broad. You can see it has pet supplies and things like that. So we'll go back on Google and we have devilforge.com. Devilforge.com, this looks like a good competitor. This looks like someone who is selling specifically forges in this case. I would like someone who's a bit more into blacksmithing though, so we'll just have a quick look if there's anyone that's specifically into blacksmithing. It looks like there's actually not that many. So this is one of the reasons we're going into this niche, by the way, is because there aren't that many competitors in it. So we're going to take devilforge.com and we're going to jump back over to Google Ads Keyword Planner. This time, when we click here, I'm going to click on the top here where it says start with a website. I'm going to paste devilforge.com and I'm going to press get results. And then you can see everything there just changed, okay? So now we have a few different options. We have propane forge, gas forge, forge for sale, metal forge, blacksmith forge, etc., etc. So this is a good base, but I'm going to show you a couple of tricks to refine this even more. One of the best ways to do this is to click on 3-month change and to look for things that are currently trending in the niche. So for example, electric crucible melting furnace. Now, obviously, I have no idea what that means. I'm not a blacksmith, but this is something that is currently today trending on Google or trending on Google Ads. And that's even more informed by the fact that there are 4 or 3 lines of advertising at the very top of Google. What this says to me is this is something that people are buying today. Now, we can verify that in a few different ways if you want, or you can just take my word for it. But, you know, I can also show you how to verify that. You can go on Google, type in trends, click on Google Trends, and then obviously we don't want to search in Ireland. So I'll just click search here and then change this to the United States. And we'll do past 90 days, for example, or, I mean, you can see here there was a big spike on the 29th of May. Suddenly everyone was searching for electric crucible melting furnaces. Don't ask me why. So yeah, there's a couple of things we can do from this information right here. But what I suggest you do is that you forget your competitors now and you start focusing on your blog post. And the best way to start to get the shape of a blog post, which you can later give to ChatGPT or write yourself manually, is the people also ask section. Now, this is something I haven't talked about on the channel in a long time, but this section here is actually full of gold. So you can see here, what is the difference between a furnace and a crucible? What are the disadvantages of crucible furnaces? which furnace is the best to melt scrap, which the answer will probably be electric crucible melting furnace. And I just realized why this is trending. It's because of that TikTok gold seller who uses electric crucible melting furnaces to melt his gold. I've just realized why it's trending. And then you can actually click the people also asked section, and it will slowly start to expand. And you're actually creating the outline of a blog post by doing this. So now what you can do is you can put this in a Google document. You can give this to ChatGPT. You can basically do whatever you want with it, but you could also just manually write this content, right? So now you have a list of questions that people are genuinely searching for in the niche. You know that the keyword is good. Now you just need to make the content. Before we finish the video, I do want to show you a few more examples. So personally, what I like to do is I like to scroll down below the infinite trends. The reason for that is that infinite trending, they often are anomalous or anomalies. So they're not always the best ones to go for. I do think electrical crucible melting furnace, that's the most times anyone has ever said that in 10 minutes, I promise you, is a good keyword, but there are probably some much better ones here. So for example, I have no idea what this is. This could be a brand, which would make it a bad one. It is a brand. So this is not a good keyword because we're not necessarily selling this brand, but it could be a good keyword for an affiliate marketing website. So if you're in affiliate marketing and you see that Amazon is selling this product, which they are, what can you do? You can do a Vivor or Vavor or whatever furnace review, okay? And you can make a video, you can make a blog post, you post that to your website with the affiliate link to Amazon, and then anytime someone spends £149 on this product, you'll probably get £7 if they go through your website. So, I mean, it's a good keyword if you're an affiliate marketer or if you're selling the product on your website. For us, it's a useless keyword because we're not selling this brand. So I would move on to the next one. Propane smelter, 900%, which is really, really good. So we would again put this into Google Trends just to have a quick look. And then, by the way, guys, if you've noticed, everything I've done in this video is completely free. There's not enough search data here, which is fine. What we can do is we can, again, put propane smelter on Google, and we can click a few of these options that you could even just include as an FAQ at the bottom of an article about propane smelters. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can, if you want as well, just so you know, is you can export all of this data. You can also refine all of this data. In this case, we can't refine it because sometimes it doesn't let you, basically. But what you can actually do is you can press download keyword ideas and you can download it as a CSV, or you could have downloaded it as a Google Sheet as well. Doesn't really matter how you download it, but the end result is that you have something that you can actually feed into ChatGPT, and you can say, give me suggestions based on these keywords. So let's actually just quickly do that. Let's go on ChatGPT, and we'll attach this file. So we'll press the little attach button, upload from computer, and we'll double click here, and I'll say, from this list of keywords, give me 10 blog post suggestions for my website, suppliesforblacksmiths.com. And it will do exactly that. It should give me 10 really, really nice tailored suggestions. So you're seeing it's now analyzing, which means it's reading. So you can see import pandas as PD. This is just a very basic Python script which allows it to read CSVs. Sometimes it'll come up with this error, normally because of the formatting, UTF, or whatever it might be. It's not an issue. If you can't be bothered dealing with that, what you can do as well is you can actually click here and just press select all and then copy, but you can't copy if you select all. So let's just refresh real quick and undo that. So we'll just go back on discover new keywords. I think the keyword was propane smelter. Oh no, sorry, start with the website. devilforge.com. Get results. And then 3-month change. And then we're going to click here and just press copy. I'll just say to ChatGPT, use these keywords instead. paste, and then it's just going to read all those, and it's going to give me 10 keyword ideas based on those, blog post ideas. So ultimate guide to choosing the right forge, kit for beginners, how to set up your first Foundry furnace at home, comparative review Vevor or Devil Forge equipment. This is exactly what I was talking about before. If you have an affiliate marketing website, a keyword like that is your bread and butter. That's how you take all of your competitors' keywords, guys, in probably less than 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.
Just as I was saying it, I was like, shit, he's right. Like,
Excellent.
did it record?